YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this episode I'm gonna teach you how to change your throttle cable on your dirt bike. Okay, so let's start. First we have to take out the fuel tank. So I'm gonna remove the seat first. It's only 2 bolts. One on each side. Okay, I'm not gonna record the whole process, just the key moments. So okay, so here we are. Now you have to just remove these 2 bolts. Alright, and we have to unplug the throttle cable from the inside, from that case that you can see over there. And for the easier approach, you have to just remove the exhaust header. So this is the new one, and this is the old one. Okay, we are almost done. We just have to adjust the throttle cable from here and from the inside as well. Okay, so after adjusting the throttle cable, all we have to do is just reassemble the bike. For example, I'm gonna put back the tank, the plastics, and yeah. And after all, don't forget to try it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.